Imagine a whole mountain collapsing in seconds. This is a real landslide caught on camera. After heavy rainfall, the ground becomes weak, and suddenly, tons of mud, rocks, and trees start sliding down at high speed. Landslides can destroy roads, homes, and everything in their path within seconds. No warning, no time to react. In places like California and mountainous regions of the USA, landslides happen frequently during storms and wild weather. If you ever travel to such areas, you must be prepared. Keep an emergency survival kit, flashlight, first aid kit, and weather alert device. I've added some must-have survival gear links in my bio. These can literally save your life. Nature is powerful and unpredictable. Stay alert, stay safe. Follow for more real nature videos, and don't forget to check the bio for safety gear.